Let's learn the alphabet A to Z.
A is for apple.
B is for balloons. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jar. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for peas. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. C is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yaka. Z is for zebra.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.